Samantha here at Massey Toyota. Today we're going to be looking at the differences between the 2018 RAV4 and the 2018 RAV4 XLE. Starting with the RAV4, this vehicle is a hybrid synergy drive system and all-wheel drive intelligence. It also comes with a pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert system, and steering wheel assist. You can't forget about the Smart Stop technology and anti-lock brakes. 17-inch alloy tires, auto high beams, power heated outside mirrors, and rear privacy glass makes up the exterior of your car. Other than the awesome heated mirror feature, your mirrors come with blind spot mirrors and exterior blinkers. One really neat feature about the Smart Key technology is the quick on-the-go unlocking system. Once you have the Smart Key in your hand and you tap one time on the handle, all of the car doors will unlock. If you just want to unlock the driver's side, simply hold the Smart Key in your hand, place your hand in the handle, and the door should unlock. Let's take a look at the driver's side. So here you have the door with some storage below, your window controls, and your car locking system. Down below there are no floor mats in this version of the RAV4, and the seats are manual adjustments, so you have to pull those levers to get the seats to move back and forth. So on the left side of the steering wheel you have your volume control, voice commands, and you can answer and decline phone calls. On the right side of the wheel, you have your main menu navigation and your cruise control. Your gears on the left consist of all of your headlight controls, so on, off, auto, high beam, low beam, fog lights. And your right controls consist of all your window wiper controls, high, low, mist, and all of those things. Now up on the dashboard is your main menu screen, and these controls on the right side of your wheel control your main menu. So if you move left and right throughout the menu, you can see your messages, lane departure alert, you can turn it on and off, settings, and other information about your vehicle. So looking at your center controls, you can see that the car is a push to start. You also have your hazard lights up front and your airbags. So on your touchscreen navigation, you can look at your car information. You can look at the audio and play different radio stations depending on your mood. There's also the volume button, so you can adjust that to however you want it. And if you click on the setup button, it'll bring you to the home screen. And if you click on general, you can do any language, English, French, Spanish, and you can change some small settings in your car. You click on Bluetooth, you can connect your phone. And if you click on vehicle, you can customize settings like how your doors lock, climate change, and how your lights come on and off. That's pretty much it for your touchscreen navigation system. Well, down below you also have your dual heating and cooling systems. You can sync the temperatures or you can do individual temperatures, however you like it. Now down below you have your auxiliary cord input, USB cigarette lighter, all those things, sport mode, eco-friendly mode, EV mode. Here you have a place to put your phone, a small compartment, a cup holder. There's all your gears down below, a parking brake, and another cup holder. Another cool feature about the RAV4 is that when you put it in reverse, you also get the display on your touchscreen navigation of your backup cameras and what's going on behind you. You also have those blue and red lines to guide where you're going. Taking a look now at the front passenger side of the car, you get the same little storage compartment on the car side door. There are no floor mats like the other side and a manual seating, but you also do get a little storage compartment above the glove box. Now looking at the back seats of the car, on the side door you have a small storage compartment, window controls, and in the center console you have two cup holders for anyone sitting in the back, and the seats are the same material as the front. Now we're going to take a look at the trunk. So to open the trunk door, you do have to manually open it, but now let's go take a look inside. Now the trunk has a hidden compartment for a tire and jack, so you're always prepared on the road with the RAV4. You also have a storage compartment, a skinny one, in the back of the car. Well, that's it for the RAV4. Now let's talk about the upgrades with the RAV4 XLE. As you can see, the XLE comes with RAV4 floor mats, and the rest of the interior looks exactly the same. This model comes with a blind spot monitoring feature, so when you turn this feature on, you're indicated on your mirrors. You also have an awesome moonroof option. You hold down the button, it opens, hold it, close it, and you can also open up a little slot. You also get the automatic trunk feature. Unlock the car, hold down the trunk button on the remote, and your trunk will open. You get the same features in your trunk, but you get this overlaying mat for a smoother look, and you have the tire and jack just like the basic RAV4. Now in the back of the car, you do have a small storage space, but it's actually a little larger than the basic RAV4. And once you're done looking at everything, you just fold the mat back down for that smooth look and you're ready to go. Now once you're done in the trunk and you want to shut the door, you hold down that trunk button like you did before, and it'll just shut automatically. Well, that's it here at Massey Toyota. Thanks for watching our comparison video of the 2018 RAV4 and 2018 RAV4 XLE.